Welcome back to AutoNova, the home of futuristic car showcases and cinematic auto experiences. Today, we're diving into the Tesla Cybertruck 2025 Pure Black Edition, a machine that blends raw power with dark elegance. Join us as we explore this beast from every angle: front, side, rear, interior, engine, top-down, and more. By the end, you'll know why this model stands apart from its 2024 predecessor. Front view. The first impression of any vehicle comes from its face, and the 2025 Cybertruck in pure black makes a statement like no other. Its angular front end, now sharper and more refined than the 2024 model, looks like it was sculpted straight from the future. The glossy showroom lights bounce off the metallic black finish, highlighting every sharp crease. The updated LED light bar stretches seamlessly across the front, giving it a futuristic glare, while the bold number plate area grounds it with road presence. This front view screams authority. A perfect mix of sci-fi and street dominance. Left side view. Moving to the left side, the Cybertruck's profile is pure geometry in motion. The 2025 model has subtle refinements in its panel alignment, creating a smoother visual flow compared to the 2024 edition. Its gigantic wheels sit flush against the angular body, and the black-on-black aesthetic makes the whole silhouette look like a stealth fighter jet on wheels. The door design remains minimalist, but the 2025 variant carries a slight edge in finish quality, making it look even more premium under the bright marble-floored showroom. Right side view. From the right side, the reflections tell another story. Every sharp angle of the bodywork plays with light like a prism, but instead of scattering color, it scatters shadow. The mirrors, door lines, and matte black trim give it a muscular yet sophisticated stance. Compared to the 2024 model, the 2025 version feels slightly more aerodynamic. Subtle tweaks that most won't notice at first glance but make a difference in performance and design philosophy. This side view proves that Tesla isn't just building a truck, they're shaping an icon. Rear back view. Now, let's head to the back. The rear of the 2025 Cybertruck is where minimalism meets brute strength. The taillights are razor-sharp, a single glowing red line stretching across the rear fascia. The tailgate is clean and commanding, with the number plate positioned for maximum symmetry. The 2024 model looked bold, but the 2025 edition brings more polish. It's darker, sleeker, and meaner. This rear view makes one thing clear: the Cybertruck doesn't just leave an impression when it arrives, it also commands attention as it drives away. Top-down view. From above, the Cybertruck looks like a spaceship ready for liftoff. The flat planes, sharp rooflines, and panoramic sunroof design come together like a stealth drone. The top-down view highlights just how massive this truck really is, yet the black paint job gives it a stealthy, almost camouflaged effect under the bright lights. It's futuristic architecture on wheels. The 2025 edition perfects symmetry, ensuring that every angle is visually striking, even from the sky. Interior close-up. Step inside, and you enter Tesla's world of minimalism and technology. The 2025 Cybertruck interior retains the futuristic flat dash design but with improved materials over the 2024 version. At the center sits a massive touchscreen, the command hub of the entire vehicle. The steering wheel feels more refined, with improved grip and a sleeker profile. The seating is plush yet minimalist, dressed in premium eco-leather, giving comfort without distraction. Under the bright showroom lights, the interior glows with subtle reflections, making every angle photogenic. Tesla has clearly worked to reduce clutter, ensuring that when you're inside the 2025 model, you feel like you're piloting the future rather than just driving a truck. Engine view. Now, let's peek under the hood. Unlike traditional trucks, the Cybertruck doesn't house a roaring V8, it houses silence with raw electric power. The 2025 model's motor layout is more compact, cleaner, and better optimized than the 2024 variant. Tesla's engineering focus here was efficiency and performance. With tri-motor configurations available, the 2025 edition delivers staggering torque and acceleration, all while looking futuristic even in its mechanical details. This is not just an engine bay, it's the beating heart of tomorrow's automotive world. Outro/hero shot. And finally, we step back for the hero shot, the full 2025 Cybertruck Pure Black Edition in all its glory. Under the glossy white marble showroom floor and modern ceiling lights, it looks less like a truck and more like a concept vehicle brought to life. From the front to the rear, the top to the bottom, and every reflection in between, Tesla has redefined what an electric pickup can be. The 2024 model was bold, but the 2025 edition is evolutionary. So here's the question for you: would you take the 2025 Pure Black Cybertruck, or stick with the original 2024 edition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. This is AutoNova, and we'll keep bringing you the future, one car at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic auto showcases. Until next time, drive the future.